body go rest you. Your tongue go confess you. Your head go correct you. You know go forget you.
All right, guys. Afrobeats taking us back into the segment. DJ Franco there on the ones and threes. And dreams. Let's talk about dreams. They really do come true. Our next guest had no idea that he would be attending Edna Manley to pursue his dream. He's always wanted to, but now that dream has become reality. And joining us this morning, self-taught visual artist Phillip Robinson. Good morning to you and welcome to Jamaica. Phillip said he's not a big talker. Phillip is not really an interview, it's more of a discussion with the two of us. So let's get to know a little bit more about you and your journey and how you've ended up here. You've always loved art.
Repeat.
What is it about art that you've always loved?
Alright, with art though, ever since I was a child, I always admire great artists. I would take up like the bottles from the house, I would take up like the cups, and I tried to make fashion with them. I realized this was a part of me. I used to steal my mother's polishes, that's nail polish, and I create nice things with them.
Yeah.
And from ever since, I realized that art is inside me.
Yeah.
So I tried pursuing that within school. So even with my book, I try to draw the back of every book. But
You're a doodler, you're always drawing something.
always drawing.
Did you have a special like instrument or medium? So you like charcoal or what was it
Alright,
that?
at that time, I only have pencil. So I only have access to pencil,
Yeah.
differently
use
from my
what you
mother
had.
Q-Tex.
Right. Okay. So you wanted to go to Edna. You've wanted to go to Edna for a
All
long
my
time.
life
But the struggle was real for you.
was real,
So you grew up in a poor community.
very poor.
Yeah. What town?
What all
In St. Anne. Good morning to the folks who are watching in what town where they call you Ramon. Right?
Ramon.
Okay, so you were at Marcus Garvey Technical, but you left that school without being able to sit in the exams. What happened?
Alright, that was about year 2004 when I should sit my CXC exams. I had these things called eczema on my skin, so it affected my self-esteem. So I didn't get the opportunity to stand as a man to do the CXC because my mom wasn't here in Jamaica either.
Oh, wow.
So that was a big downfall for me.
Lots of different things going on with
And I
you.
don't know my dad, so
Yeah. Well, you stayed
Can
at home and
imagine.
did exams.
repeat.
You stayed at home and did
I
exams.
stayed at home and
How
did
did
all
you-
my tests.
And how you manage that? And you got how many subjects?
6.
6 in all.
Right.
So obviously the discipline was within you. You knew what you wanted to do and you worked. So you say you're determined, you are self-motivated, you're a go-getter, you're a Christian.
Definitely.
Obviously helps to fuel you. And so working out of school as a security guard, right?
Right.
Still doing your art.
Just
And
the
then
same.
who got wind of what you were doing and said, let's take this story to the newspaper?
Alright, first let's start with me and this art, Mr. Phillip Benjamin.
Yes.
I was home one night and I was inspired that you need to do this, gentleman. He's my boss for guardsman, and I was wondering, what is this voice? And I yielded to such voice, and I said, okay, I'll follow. And it took me about 4 nights, 2 hours per night to accomplish this art. So I yield to it. Even on the very day I was bringing the art to this gentleman, someone
Offered to buy it.
offered to
Somebody
buy it.
wanted to buy it.
Right, for 500 US. Well, I calculate that was like 67 Jamaican
Yeah.
thousand.
Yeah. But you said
And-
no, Phillip,
I said
because
no.
it was a gift.
Definitely.
And what did Sir Kenny say when he saw this?
Well, he was impressed.
Yeah.
He was astonished. He made a joke that, wow, you could let me look a bit younger, remove all these wrinkles from under the eye. The remarks from his worker was, you think that you're young? It
This
was a
is
good
amazing,
feeling.
though. This is what medium did you use? This is
Well, over here I use charcoal
Okay.
and graphite pencil.
okay. And is that really like the area that you play in? You don't do a lot of colored stuff. You do a lot of
Well, I'm all rounded, but I
Monochromatic.
pay more attention to this area.
okay. As we can see in some others of your some shots you've done right here. So Here comes this story in the newspaper. And then what happens, Philip?
This lady by the name of Wendy, she saw my work, she was impressed. So she decided on calling a member of the Glealer team, and that's where it goes from.
Yeah, so the story was in the paper, long and short, folks.
Right.
And here stands Philip, who starts Edna Manley on Monday. High five.
Thank you.
Story got out. Ministry of Education, was it?
Right, Ministry
got in
of
touch
Education.
with Philip. Ministry and Edna have worked it out. And Philip will be going to Edna to pursue his course of study, fully funded for the next 4 years. God does say God wear pajamas, but he don't sleep. Obviously,
So
he
true.
was not sleeping on you, and your dream has come true, and we know you're going to do amazing things. And we wish you all the very best as we look at some more of your work, which is really, really very impressive. All the best to you, Philip, and God bless
Thanks
you on your
much.
journey.
I appreciate
All
it.
right, thank you very much for being here with us. Self-taught visual artist, Philip Robinson. As you look at more of his work still to come on Smile, whole heap more. We'll be right back.